A lot of our clients want to know what polysand is and if they should use it for their hardscape project. Polymeric sand is a thin sand that when combined with additives and water forms a binding agent in between the joints. When activated, polysand helps to prevent the pavers from shifting and from allowing weeds and moss to grow in between the joints. This is a huge benefit for our clients. Another neat positive is that polysand is available in a multitude of colors, including tan, ivory, gray, and black. Even though we use polysand on a lot of projects, we have found that there are some disadvantages to using it. Polysand is an added cost to your driveway project, and sometimes clients do not see the benefit in spending the additional money on the sand. Secondly, polysand reduces permeability by keeping the water out. So if permeability is a concern for your project, polysand might not be the best option. Please make sure that if you do choose to use polysand on your pavers, that your installer is skilled and trained on how to apply the polysand correctly.